Hello friends, you welcome to my complete Java course. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn interview question on interface. So let's start. So the first question is, can interface have constructors, static instance block and instance initialization block? No, interface cannot have constructors, static instance block and instance initialization block. These show 100% abstraction. Can we reassign a value to a field of interface? Answer is no. The fields of interface are static and final. By default, they are just like constant. You cannot change their value once they got. Next question is, can we declare an interface with abstract keyword? Answer is yes. We can declare an interface with abstract keyword. But there is no need to write like that. All interfaces in Java are abstract by default. Next question is, for every interface in Java, .class file will be generated after compilation. True or false? Answer is true. .class file will be generated for every interface after compilation. Next question is, can we override an interface method with visibility other than public? Answer is no. While overriding an interface method, we should use public only because all interfaces methods are public by default and you should not reduce the visibility while overriding them. Can interfaces become local members of the methods? No, you cannot define interface as local members of method. Like local inner classes, they can be a part of top level class of or interface. Can an interface extends a class? No, a class can not become super interface to any interface. Super interface must be an interface. That means interface don't extend classes but can extend other interface. Next question is, like classes, does interface also extend object class by default? No, interface don't extend object class. Can interface have static methods? No, interface cannot have static methods. Can an interface have a class or another interface as its members? Yes, interface can have classes or interfaces as their members. What will happen if we define a concrete method in an interface in Java? If we declare any concrete method in an interface, compile time error will come. Can we create non-static variables in an interface? No, we cannot create non-static variables in an interface. If we try to create non-static variables, compile time error comes. What will happen if we do not initialize variables in Java interface? Compile time error will come because by default members will be treated as public static final variables. So it expects some value to be initialized. When we need to use extents and implements, a class will implement an interface, a class will extend another class. An interface extends another interface. Next question is, can we create object for an interface in Java? No, we cannot create object for interface. Can we declare interface as final? No, compile time error will come. Error illegal modifier for the interface sample. Only public and abstract are permitted. Can we declare constructor inside an interface? No, interface doesn't allow constructors. What will happen if we are not implementing all the methods of an interface in class which implements an interface? A class which implements an interface should implement all the methods. Otherwise, compiler will throw an error. So friends, thank you for watching this video lecture and watch my next video lecture for learning new things in Java.